Hello beautiful people, welcome to the Kitengela Rabbitry. Today here we're going to look at most of the asked questions in regards to baby rabbits. So one of the asked questions is how to differentiate a male and a female rabbit when they are still young ones. So I'm going to give you an example here of the young ones. Here we have, they're only 3 weeks old. So to differentiate the male or the female, so you put your rabbit upside down, then you check here. So this is a male. You see there is a pipe protruding outside. So when you see like a pipe like or a circular part, this is a male. So if you want to know the difference between a male and a female, the female is like V-shaped and the male is like round shaped. Let's see this one. This is a female. You see there's no pipe that has protruded. So that is how you differentiate between a male and a female. And another asked question is when do we separate the kids with their mother? But these ones right now, they are 3 weeks old. So you give them approximately 7 weeks to 8 weeks so that you can be able to separate them. This is because these rabbits, they have interacted together, they have known each other, they've known like this is a male, this is a female, and also you've given them time to breastfeed and also wean, giving them time to wean properly so that you can be able to separate them from their mother. Asked question is when do you start weaning the baby rabbits? Like I've said, these are 3 weeks old, and by 3 weeks they've already started eating solid food. So you can just give them some food so that you can see. This is now weaning because you've introduced solid food and they're still breastfeeding. 3 weeks old, they can actually start eating solid food. You introduce it gradually, they can actually eat the food that their mother actually eats, like these pellets. I feed their mother pellets, so they can always share with their mother. And then with time, you can separate them. After 7 weeks or 8 weeks, that is 2 months, you can actually be able to separate them because now they are able to just feed alone without breastfeeding. To ask about the vaccine that the kids, the baby rabbits will need when they are newborns or as they grow. So in most cases, you should consult with your veterinary or your close by vet, so that they can actually tell you the medication that you need to give the rabbits as they grow. It depends on your rabbit geographical location. They can actually advise on which medication is proper for them and which other health risk that this rabbit will have, so that you can actually vaccinate them and prevent these illnesses. So always consult with your veterinary so that you can know the kind of vaccine that you give your rabbits. Another question is how do you ensure the health and well-being of rabbits as they grow? So as you see these rabbits, one of the things that you should consider is their spacing. So you see these babies, the house should be well spaced. They should not be congested, because when a rabbit, when they are congested in one house, and there are so many and very congested in one house, they tend to get and spread illnesses to each other. And also you see it will be hard to clean a very congested house, and also bacteria will infest the houses. Another thing is always ensure that the rabbit house is clean. So as you can see, our house here, it's self-cleaning. The wire here can actually let the droppings of the rabbit drop over here, so that the rabbits can actually stay in a clean house. And another thing is always ensure that these rabbits are properly fed. So you can see that we have given them, like these ones, we have given them some pellets. They are feeding on the pellets. And always ensure that there is hay in their houses. This ones have already eaten the hay, so we'll just add it. Ensure that the rabbits have hay so that always be able to feed on fiber and also pellets and plenty of water. This water is medicated, so it has a bit of multivitamins here. So multivitamins, it's usually something to like boost their immunity. So it's like it's a booster so that they can prevent the rabbits from getting sick. Another thing is always ensure that the rabbit house is well ventilated and also warm enough at night. You can see that they are in an enclosed space. You can see that it is ventilated as well. So at night the house is warm, and during the day we open all the windows and ensure that these rabbits get air circulated inside this house. They don't become stuffy. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. See you next.